I've written several books that have a bearing on the Blackbirds. For NASA, I wrote a history of the Joint Air Force-NASA test program with the YF-12A, which was the interceptor version of the Blackbird that NASA used as a high-altitude, high-speed research plane. I also wrote a book for AIAA called From Archangel to Senior Crown, Design and Development of the Blackbird, which goes into the whole process of developing what became the world's highest and fastest reconnaissance aircraft.
Now, with this project being so classified, how were you able to get the information for your research?
Since the airplanes were retired, the Air Force and the CIA have declassified thousands of pages of documents relating to the early history, design development, and flight characteristics of the aircraft.
Peter, you want to give us a title of your books and how we can order those? And what the books will...
Yeah. I've got several different books. One is called Mach 3 Plus, and that's a NASA publication which is available online on the NASA website. The American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, or AIAA, published From Archangel to Senior Crown, Design and Development of the Blackbird, which comes with a CD-ROM that includes all of the flight manuals and a number of other extras. And additionally, I wrote a book called X-Plane Crashes, which, among other things, talks about some of the mishaps that happened during the program. Of the 50 Blackbird airframes built, 20 of them crashed, but none were ever shot down. And I've also got a book called Images of Aviation Area 51, which includes many pictures of the early testing of the Blackbird.
What do you think is the most unique? I mean, this entire airplane is iconic and unique and unusual and mysterious. What, in your mind, having done all of your research and being so knowledgeable, is the most outstanding feature or unique thing about this airframe?
I would say the most unique characteristic of the Blackbird is the propulsion system. People think about the two J-58 engines. Each one has 34,000 pounds of thrust, but that's only part of the system. Each turbojet engine, the two turbojet engines are used to propel the aircraft to about Mach 2.4, at which point the pilot starts to bypass the airflow from the inlet around the engine directly to the afterburner, effectively turning the engine nacelle into a Ram Jet. That's why we call it turbo Ram Jet Propulsion. And this is what allowed the aircraft to cruise at Mach 3 speeds.